Hi stylers, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing some early Christmas shopping just to show you what they have in store for the season and where you can get some of the Christmas decoration. So I am at Pink's in Central Plaza, where you can get your Target items for your Christmas here in Jamaica. So if you're interested, continue watching. You will get all the home decor items here, and some of the items don't have any price, some have the US price, but you can always head on to Central Plaza and check out Pink's fabric. If you are new here, I am Renee and I hope you enjoy these early shopping videos. I share all things home related, so you get shopping, home decoration, you get makeover tips and tricks, you get it all here. So I hope you enjoy the shopping video and just continue watching. Subscribe to the end if you're new here because you will love it here.